Hi, I'm Mithun and I'm representing WhatIF Foods. We are a climate-positive food brand from Singapore. The core of our brand, the philosophy of our brand is regeneration. We believe sustainability doesn't go far enough and fast enough. That's why we're bringing some really innovative, regenerative food crops to the GCC market. We source this amazing bean called Bambara groundnut from West Africa. This bean is a climate resilient crop, highly nutritious, grows on dry lands, fixes nitrogen in soil and brings it back to life. So it's got positive climate credentials. It's very good for you as well. It's high in protein, high in fiber. And we have the in-house technology to make wonderful modern products like instant noodles. With these Bambara nuts, we also make plant-based milks. Our milks, for example, have more protein than oat and almond put together, and they have got the best climate. Our milks have got the best climate credentials of all the plant milks out there. Our noodles, we do not deep fry. We are the only brand that doesn't deep fry its noodles. We do not use any palm oil. Everything is completely natural, no MSG, no artificial colors. Our noodles have about 18 grams of protein, which is equal to about 2 eggs. High in fiber, good for you, good for the planet. Please join the regeneration. Come and check out WhatIF Foods. Thank you.